Hello and welcome to the Getting Started video for the Reports Machine trial systems. First thing you need to do, of course, is to download the systems themselves from the links in the website. You must have Excel, Microsoft Excel, installed on your computer. That doesn't matter if you're using a Windows or a Mac-based computer, as long as you've got Microsoft Excel on there, they should work fine. So I'm going to show you the Key Stage 3 and 4 example trial, but the setup and the getting started sort of process is exactly the same for the MYP system as well. That's also available. So when you launch the file for the first time, you will be greeted with this message. This is just talking about macros. You just need to hit enable macros to get past that and make sure everything works. So once we load up, we are on the Home tab, which is Key Stage 3 and 4, the reports machine, sort of the main front page of the system. You also have two further pages. First thing you need to do with any system, including the trial for the first time, is just go to the license and have a read through this information and the trial license agreements here. Just to show that you accept it, you just need to type in yes, and it will automatically update the license, which will always run out on the 1st of August 2018. Now moving on, we've got a comment actually starting to be generated now, now that we've accepted the license on the main page. If we hit refresh, you'll see a bunch of example comments. This is already set up for a Year 7 Maths class. So we've got the level set up, we've got some example data for a student, and you can play around with this and see, how the system changes depending on what data you use and what data you delete and so on, and you're able to refresh as well. Okay, also it's worth pointing out there is this term section, so if you type in maybe year instead of term, if you have a read through the comments, they will always mention year instead of term already automatically. So these comments that are used within the system come from the comment bank. This comment bank on the trial systems is exactly the same as the comment banks on the full system as well. So this is the sentence structure and all the comments used to build the sentences. Have a read through the help up here if you're going to start editing them. And the nice thing is as well, because this is virtually identical to the full system, you'll be able to copy out these comments and paste them straight into the same boxes in the full system if you decide to upgrade. The only thing you can't do with the trial system is export the comments out and save them into this box here. So this is explained on the right side. Usually you will be able to press this button that says save, and any comment that you're happy with here will jump into this box. You'll also be able to clear all those comments, and you'll be able to copy them from this box into whichever system you use to kind of compile your reports for your school. If you're interested in the more detailed kind of explanation of the system and some examples with how the sentences work and so on, please have a look at the relevant full version kind of introduction, either for the Key Stage 3 and 4 system or the MYP system individually. Thank you for watching.